All right, we have here a Quantum Edge HD. This is a heavy-duty power chair with an extra large seat. This chair has a 450 weight capability. This power chair only has 4 miles, so it's literally brand new. 4 miles on this power chair. It has electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, no seat lift. Okay, tilt, recline, electric feet, 3 functions. It has other stuff on it we'll cover as we go along. But this one, when you want to make all the functions work, you have to go through the joystick. So to go through the joystick, what you want, you just want to keep, this is your on button. When you turn it on, you just keep going forward. So you're going to take this button, keep pushing it forward until you see a picture of your seat in the screen. So I'm going to keep pushing it forward. Now I see a picture of the seat. As soon as you see a picture of the seat, you want the bottom yellow and the back yellow. If they're not both yellow, that's your tilt, if that's what you want. Move the joystick sideways until the color changes. If you had just yellow on the back, it would be a recline. If you had yellow on the feet, it would be the legs. But I want yellow on the bottom and the back, which is what's on there. And then you use your joystick. If you pull it back, you'll see the seat is starting to tilt. So this is tilt. Of course, when it tilts, it's going to take the legs, it's going to take the back, because they're all connected to the seat, okay? This is good if you want to relieve pressure off your bottom or off your back, or if you just want to relax, or if you just want to have circulation in your legs. So the tilting purpose is very nice to have. And the next thing I'm going to show you are the feet. So I'm going to move these. These are guards. They can be adjusted. And right now this one's not tight enough. But anyway, the next thing I'm going to show you are the feet. So now it doesn't matter if you're 5 feet tall or 6'3". We can adjust these foot plate longer, and we can make them longer. Also, we can change these little foot plate, make them longer if you want. And we can adjust the length of them depending on your height and your weight. But see, this is just a little extreme. If you want a good circulation, that's a little bit extreme there. But you could also be halfway tilted, just to show you that you can have your feet still higher than your body without being so far tilted back. Even right here, folks, your feet are still higher than your body, okay? So we've covered the tilt, we've covered the electric legs, and now we just have to do the recline. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over where the back is yellow by itself on here, and now I'm going to use my joystick and go back, and you'll see just this portion moving. Nothing else is moving. The back is reclining. This is called recline. And you can see it going back. We'll see how far this is going to take us here. So this is as far as this chair will go, recline. And these arms can also be pulled out of the way. So if you transfer from the side, you can just transfer from the side. A nice thing about these arms, you see this right here? This is an arm support. I can push down as much as I'm sorry, it was not locked in. I can push down as much as I want on these arms. There's no give on the arm because you have an arm support here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the back and the legs down together. So I've got the legs yellow, the back yellow, and they're both coming back down to normal position. I'm going to leave the legs out because if you're outside, you should always have the legs out a little bit. There we go. And I'm just going to do the back a little bit more. There we go. Now I'm going to put it in drive. Let's look at the base on this chair. So as you can see, 14-inch solid wheel. This is a mid-wheel, meaning the drive wheel's in the middle. And if you have a mid-wheel drive, you're always going to have a wheel on the ground in front and a wheel on the ground in the back for stabilization of your drive wheel, okay? You have a shock here. You have 4 of these shocks. If I push down, you can see the shock at work. 4 of these all the way around the chair. You have anchor points here and here. This is where you secure your chair if you're going to transport this chair, right here. You have 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You have an HD motor for each wheel. Each wheel has its own motor, okay? If I want to push this chair right now, you can see we're not pushing it. It's in gear, plus the chair probably weighs close to 400 pounds, okay? But if you turn the power off, and the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor. Power is off. You see the yellow handle? Push it down. What that does, it unlocks you. You got to do both motors, and then you can freely roll it, okay? When you're done, do not forget to put this back in the gear, in the position of drive, okay? So This is your base right here on this chair. We're going to turn the power back on. We're going to give it a second to reset. You've also got with this chair what's called a swing away joystick. So notice I took the joystick from here to here. This enables you to get a lot closer to a dining table. And you also have a cup holder on this side. You can see the cup, it's removable. If you're left-handed, we can take the joystick right here, put it on the left side with no problem at all, okay? The seat on this chair is, we'll go a little bit faster here. The seat on this chair is 24 wide by 20 deep, okay? This is as you can see, it's a removable cushion. Now, we can make the depth a little bit more if we had to. This is 24 wide, 20 deep, but we can go a couple of inches deeper if we had to, okay? You have a safety belt here. You have a cup holder here. You have the arm support. You have a headrest that's fully adjustable, rounded headrest, fully adjustable. These keep your legs right here. This one needs to be tightened up, that's all. They keep your feet on the foot plate from coming off the foot plate, okay? If you look at the chair, if I turn in a circle, you can see how the chair is built. Also remember, because of the size of the seat being 24 inches, from outside of arm is 29 inches, folks. So the number you need to remember is 29 inches. From outside of arm to outside of arm is 29 inches, okay? When you charge this chair, you'll take your quantum charger and you'll plug it right here, right below the joystick. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging, okay? So let's recap. We have here a Quantum Edge HD for heavy duty with 4 miles. It has a 450-pound weight capability. It has electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet. It has the swing away joystick. It has the flip up arm, the reinforced arms. It has the safety belt, the drink cup holder, the adjustable headrest, the 24 by 20 adjustable seat. And this chair has 4 miles, so this is a heavy duty chair, so if you need to be tilted, reclined, and leg, but you don't need a seat lift, this would be a really nice one to look at. This is the Permobil HD power chair. This power chair has a top speed of 4.4 miles an hour. And when you let go of the joystick, it stops within a couple feet because it has electromagnetic brake. So it stops the chair to a complete stop. Even though the power's still on, the chair is in gear. So even if you're going downhill or uphill and you stop, it will stop right there. It's not going to roll forward or backward on you. So top speed is 4.5 miles an hour. It has a weight capability of 450. It has electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, and this one has 4 miles, folks. It has the drain cup holder, the swing away joystick. So if you're looking for a large chair with a large 24-inch seat, this would be one to look at also. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.